it's me and I'm here at Dell also family farm at the pumpkin patch. So this is my first time coming here. My dad came to surprise me, and this is my first time here at a pumpkin patch, and specifically this place. So I'm just gonna film around, have a nice time with my dad, and yeah, show around when I'm actually inside the place. Alright? So this is how it looks like from the inside. Supposedly that's the tire. So yeah, it looks really nice. So right now we're just gonna walk around and then I'll record when something interesting happens. Something like that. Alright guys? Yeah, recording. Getting ready. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh god! So right now I've been walking around. I just got off the slide. I just showed footage like not that long ago. But right now I'm gonna go on the hayride and yeah, just to record.
Where's the hay?
So see you guys, and I'll start recording on the hayride. So right now I just got on the hayride. Let me switch the camera so you guys can see. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I think I'm gonna go again on the super slide. There's over there the goats, and I don't know what's gonna be there. I think it's just people eating. I don't know if I got a good angle because I wasn't looking right. There you go. There's a tractor over there. Oh, that's a zip line. I don't think I'm gonna go there. I think I'm gonna go multiple times on the super slide. So yeah. Okay, we're moving. I didn't even notice. Alright. So there's all the people. Alright, making sure I don't get any copyright. Now we're getting on this. So while we were on the hayride, we saw the mysterious tour. So yeah, we're gonna start getting on. So I just got off the mysterious tour ride. Well, it wasn't scary. So while on the hayride, I didn't get to record, sadly. But on the hayride, you see in some area over there, it's supposed to be Halloween theme and scary theme. So since it's in the day, it wasn't that scary. But I think we're gonna go again at night to see if there's any difference. I think there will be. But yeah, talk to you guys later. So I just finished watching the pig race. Right now we're gonna go inside the haunted house and then still walk around, but I'm gonna see if I can record inside of it. So yeah. So right now I just got out of the haunted house. I did record, but it was too dark. So right now I'm gonna enter the wheel and yeah. Oh my god. Oh shit. Dang it! Oh god, sorry. I went too fast. Too fast.
Faster. Much faster. Almost.
So I got out of the mouse rolls. So then now I'm doing the corn maze. So we're entering right now with my dad, and I'll record like throughout the thing, or I don't know. Okay, we might get lost. This is really hard. Hold on, let me switch the camera real quick. So right now, I'm gonna do the last thing for today. I'm just gonna go on the mystery tour and just go out and eat. So I'll record again when I'm gonna end the video. So this is it for the video. Hope you guys like it. I just really recommend this place if you live close to San Joaquin County. So it was really fun here. I got to see a pig race, pirate show, and I got to take a picture with an animator from Disney who drew the last Mickey Mouse before they went CGI animation. So please comment, like, and subscribe. Click the bell notifications for you to be notified for every video I upload. See you guys. Bye.